Hello everyone, Coach Carol here with tip number 10 in my January live casts. Today's tip is all about getting your feature image ready for your story. Now I do my stories in a blog, so I need a feature image to illustrate the story itself. And I love using Canva. It's my favorite tool for creating images and graphics. So let me take you across to Canva and show you how that works. Right, I'm in my home page for Canva and I'm already logged in, as you can see here at the top. And I'm ready to create a design. Just before I do that, a quick overview of what you see on the home page. You have a navigation bar here on the left where you can look for templates, your projects, your brands, and any of those items that you have already starred, that is, made prominent. Across the top in the menu, you'll see the different types of things that you can create in Canva. All sorts of wonderful things that are related to you illustrating a story. So there are docs, whiteboards, videos, YouTube banners, and so on. And immediately below, you'll see my recent designs. How do you get started? First thing you want to do is create a design. And you can choose from your doc, your whiteboard, your video, and so on, or specifically for something like a Facebook post, an Instagram story, an ebook cover, or a blog graphic. I have used the blog graphic to show these particular ones, and I've started using a couple of templates that I found. So you can see here there's a Happy New Year blog template, and I can tell that I'm using templates that are sized 800 by 1200 pixels for this particular template. That's an important feature of Canva. It will give you the right dimensions. Below that, I've created another little blog post and a feature image, I should say, and I have used a particular background which is different to the original one. So let me just create a page and show you how I did that. So I select from the template. I change the wording. Put in my signature below that. Make things a bit wider to fit the page. As you can see, you can manipulate everything on here, but I want a different background. So click into the background, select background from the left-hand navigation bar, and you'll see here the one that I most recently selected is showing, but I might want something different. Let's go with the blue sky. Not impressed with that, so I'll scroll a bit further, find something a bit darker. There we go. So within seconds, I have a new image that I can then download. But let's go to the feature image that I'm using for my blog posts. And I've set those up as Facebook post templates, which is the best size to work with. And I recently used this little template and I made a few changes. Using a template makes things easy. You can then just change the wording, but the structure is already in place. So I use that to create this blank template for my January posts. And I have 3 frames ready for images. To put an image in there, I'll show you what that looks like. You first upload an image to the site and then go to your uploads, find the one you want, click on it, and drag it into the frame. Do the same in each of those three with particular images that you want to use for your story about your ancestors, and then just add the names of the people that you are writing about. So that's how I made my feature image using Canva. I hope you've enjoyed this brief little tip and that you're ready to start looking into how you can use Canva to illustrate your ancestral stories.